my wasabis, this is Jirbie, your certified aromatherapist, graduate of New York Institute of Aromatic Studies. And for today, we're up for a DIY mask maker thing right here in front of me. So it's called Automatic Fruit Mask Machine. It lets you create your very own DIY masks using freshly juiced fruit juice. So if you're interested to get to know more about this device, then please keep on watching. So if you've been following this channel for a long time, or just enough, I'm sure you know that it's just normal for me to have my children jump up and down around this room, just like what happened just now. Alright, so let's talk about this device. I actually bought this 3 years ago, and when this first came out, I remember I saw this from Sophia's video. I will link hers up here. And I got very curious. As your self-minted DIY queen, I really love those devices that would let me do my own thing, like all those DIY things. It really piques my interest. So when I saw this from her, albeit it was another brand, I, of course, made sure I got my hands on this. Actually, upon opening it, it smells so much like a aesthetic clinic. Like those facial clinics. It smells like that. Okay. So I've had this for the longest time. I haven't really opened it because, I don't know, I've been busy. Number two, you really need a fresh batch of juice to be able to use this. So let me just give this a little shake. This is actually fresh beet, pineapple, and carrot juice. Good stuff. So let's unbox this. I bought this with a bunch of collagen pills included. Like, there are different packages. You can buy the machine, but you can't really use the machine without the collagen packet. So I got a bunch just to make sure that I can make use of it for a long time. So basically each sachet contains 8 collagen packets. I'll open it later. I got a lot. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 32. It's enough for me to have my masks even on a daily. It has like the cleaning brush. It smells like an aesthetic clinic. It has, it has the plug. Okay. It has a little manual, very important. Recipes, like the fruits and veggies that you can use. It says carrot. It has carotene, ingredients that promote skin metabolism, delays aging, replenishes the skin, loss of water, fade fine lines, and other effects. Okay, how about beet? Beet. You can also use tea. There are some recipes down here. There's kiwi, yacon. Well, there's no beet, but I'm sure it's good for the skin. So it has like a bunch of common vegetables. You can put essential oil. So it says here, lavender essential oil, rose essential oil. Okay. Alright, so let me just take that out. And then, it has the face mask plate.
I'm so prepared for this video, I didn't even put makeup on.
And the machine. So this runs with this. Okay, let us try this out. I'm very much excited to try it out because we have our fresh juiced produce. You can use, I've seen other videos wherein they used like conventional store-bought juices, but I thought that it would be counterintuitive because you would still be putting all those preservatives onto your face. So I made sure to have like a fresh batch of freshly juiced veggies or fruits to be able to do this video. And it's just that we haven't had that in a long time. People have been busy in this house, so we haven't really done any of that for quite a while. So this is how you do it. Okay, and the juice and the manual. I am very curious in adding the essential oil. So let me just run through the manual.
3,000 years later.
Because I believe all of these are water soluble. So when will you add the essential oil? And the collagen will have carrageenan, which is a thickener, PEG 5M, polyethylene glycol, tartaric acid, glucomannan, sodium carbonate, maltodextrin, sodium bicarb, which is your baking soda, and potash chloride. I guess the PEG can be a good, I don't know, let's just not use that. I don't want to complicate it, and I don't want to use something that I'm not really that sure of. It comes with the adapter. And let's plug it in.
Welcome to use Smart Fruit Facial Mask Machine.
Okay, let me start removing my glasses and let's get this party started.
Please have pure water.
Okay, chill lady. So how do we do this? You remove this. And I make sure to put, I think it's 60 ml of water. Alright, so that's 60 ml. And we put the water here.
Please have pure water. Please have the nutrient solution.
Wow. And then 20 ml of whatever juice that we want to use. So yeah, and it says that you have to be careful not to add too much. It has a maximum capacity of 90 ml. So 60 plus 20 is already 80.
Please add collagen peptide and press start button.
Alright. So let us add this.
Please add collagen peptide and press start
So it
button.
comes like this. And do we close this
Please
off?
add collagen peptide and press start button.
Don't stain. Okay. Oh. Please start.
Please add collagen peptide and press start button.
Did it work? It didn't. Did it work? Oh, wait, hold on. This is the...
Please add pure water.
I don't think it worked. Oh my god.
I don't think it worked.
Alright, let us do that again. Alright, that's 60 ml of water.
Please add the nutrient solution.
Perfect.
Please add the nutrient solution. Please add collagen peptide and press start button.
So collagen peptide. So is it this one? Oh, okay.
Please wait while processing.
So I had to press this.
Please wait while processing.
So it needs about 5 minutes to, I guess, dissolve the collagen peptide or the collagen tablet. This is the magic product. This is the one that will create your mask. So it's really important that you have this. Luckily, since this has been purchased 3 years ago, 3 years down the road, these are more accessible to us. I've seen some sellers of this on Shopee, so if you want to have your own, just check out Shopee. For sure they have some. And then this is the tool that will help you scrape off the mask later on. So this needs about 5 minutes to cook whatever it needs to cook, to prepare whatever it needs to prepare. And let's see. There you go. I'm scared.
Please put mask plate on table and pour out the mask liquid on it by pressing the button on the top.
Alright. I think my
Please
table.
switch to clean mode by pressing start button. Please switch to clean mode by pressing start.
Okay, I see a bubble here, so let me just pop that out. And this needs to cool down. So let me just put that there. This needs to cool down. Once it cools down, it should form the mask. So I think this is gonna be alright. Basically, the machine heats it up together,
Water.
and it would help dissolve the gum, the thickener that would help you create your very own mask. I'm still not convinced if I can put essential oils in here, because number one, essential oils can eat through plastic, and whatever that's in here is basically everything plastic. And so if I put in my essential oils here, I know that sooner or later this will break down and die.
Pure water.
I'll just remove the power because I can't stand her talking all the time. As a certified aromatherapist speaking and rationalizing everything that's going on, I don't think we can put essential oils in here, simply because pure essential oils can definitely eat through this, and I'm definitely sure it's gonna destroy your machine. Basically, what happens in here is that you put in your plant-powered additives fresh from your fruits or your vegetables. You add in the collagen pill, which is this one. It's basically made with carrageenan, is actually a gum, a thickener. So it's what makes this like a translucent sheet of mask. And it has all the other ingredients that basically would help you form this mask sheet. And if you just put water and this pill, you still have your mask sheet without any nutrients on. So you can put your additives in here. You can put silk peptides if you have. You can put colloidal oat if you have. You can put your hydrosols, whatever actives and additive that you wanted to put for your mask based on what you need. Like I said,
I'm a DIY queen. I'm a sucker for all DIY.
So things like this really excites me. It has a list of fruits and veggies that you can use, and I guess you can play around with it, like concoct your own mask. Amazing. I mean, the idea is amazing. You can put in tea, green tea if you wish. You can put in glycerin. You can even add in glycerin, honey, milk. I've seen other videos wherein they put soda. So depends on you, but I wouldn't do that. You have to let this cool enough for you to be able to use it. Okay, we've spilled some. So sorry. I think, are we good? Okay, we should let this cool enough. The cooler it is, the better. Oh, it's formed, see? Okay. So I think this is enough. I think it's not moving. It's already solid, so you can see. You can definitely move that. I'm half excited, half nervous. Okay. Okay, this is how they do it. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. It smells like beet. Oh wow, this is so good. But it's a little bit hot. So you can pop this in the fridge, actually, before you put it on. Just like so. Okay, I will not dare to eat it, but I've seen videos wherein they ate it. Oh no! Oh no! I am creating a mess. Okay, we're done with that. I created the mess. Okay, I just washed my face, and obviously I created the mess, as you can see. The mask is not made to defy gravity, remember that. But it works. It formed really well. You have to wait about 5 minutes and let it dry or cool down in about 2 minutes. I've seen people eat this, but I will not dare to. I'm scared. I don't want to ingest all of those PEGs and stuff. So Yeah, so it works, and it's a good mask actually. It's very nice. I would think that you have to let this cool. It's amazing. I mean, don't you think? I think it's amazing. It's like very organic, handmade mask. The nutrients are there. I think it's better if you let it cool down in the fridge first before applying. This tool is really helpful. Without this, I don't think I can get it off of the plate. I've seen other machines wherein they have other molds included. So they have machines that includes the eye mold, wherein if you want to just put your eye mask. They also have the lip one. This is one of the earlier versions wherein they only had the face. If you have a bigger face, I don't think this will fit. The facial ratio of this is a little bit small, I would say, in terms of like the height here, but it's fine. It's a little long, so the ratio of the facial structure or sizing is a little bit weird, but it's okay. It works in terms of working. It creates your mask in terms of creating. So yeah, I guess that's it. I actually purchased this for about 2,500 more or less. That was 3 years ago. I did a quick check on Lazada just earlier today, and I saw a similar machine, not the exact machine, but a similar machine that sells for about 900, and that's only for today, 7/7 sale. So if you want to have your own DIY face mask maker, you can check out. Just do a quick check, and then you can find this. Others sell it for 1,000 plus. I was able to buy it a little more expensive because it was 3 years ago. It was one of the few sellers then. There are more sellers now. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed today's experiment. I ruined my shirt. I hope that this will not stain it. I hope not. It's beat. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I love doing these things for you. I love reviewing essential oils, talking about essential oils. I love DIY. I love creating and, you know, trying to save money through the things that I do. Yeah, so I guess that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.